What's up, guys? Doing a mail call. We've got here VW Audi. This is Thomas Exo VCDS. I don't know how that's pronounced. Maybe Exodus, something kind of playing off of that. I don't know. But anyways, Thomas got his channel. Link is down there in the description. Cool guy. He's one of those Canadian YouTubers, and we swapped some stickers. So we're going to get him up on the box right about now. And there we go. There he is. Got the sticker up there sideways. Got another one here. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Got a nice full box of stickers up here now. And there was actually a temporary tattoo. I started to peel it and realized that's a tattoo. So maybe I'll stick that on one of the kids. They like those kind of things. Anyways, so we got a whole bunch of channels up here. I've got a running list down there in the description. Can't forget, we've got some more over here on the other box too. Whole bunch of stickers. So yeah, check out all those channels below if you have not already, because it's some good content. We've got all kinds of stuff, from people fixing up cars to people in the garage gang that just mess around and make different things, to vloggers, to preppers, to, you know, you name it, whatever. I got it on there. So all kinds of fun stuff. So thanks. And to anybody else, if you want to swap stickers, shoot me an instant message or comment down below and give me your address. I'll get one in the mail to you. And yeah, cool guys. Don't forget, make cool shit. Later on.